Hey everyone, wondering where your Skullcandy order is? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to track your order on Skullcandy step by step. So let's dive in. After placing your order, you should receive a confirmation email from Skullcandy. This email contains your order number and tracking link, so keep it handy. You can also find that on your account section and under the order history. Now, once you have actually found that details, go to Skullcandy's official website, scroll down to the support section, and click on the track your order button. Enter your order number and email address. After submitting your details, you'll see your order status and estimated delivery date. If you receive a tracking link in your email, you can click on it and track your package directly with the carrier. If your order is delayed or you don't see any updates, don't worry, you can reach out to Skullcandy's customer support for assistance. They can provide more details on your shipment, and that's how you track your Skullcandy order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.